Okay, today we'll discuss about a counting algorithm. You have seen that one box has crossed this line. This red color box is called a bounding box and green line is 1. So whenever the box crosses this line, count increases. You can see count is 2 now. We'll count it also here. We'll see 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now 8, 9, 10, 'Current process gives a accuracy of 100 percentage, precision also 100, and sensitivity is also 100. However, I have carried out this exercise to other parts of the video, which is around 25-minute video is there. So I did that part of it. What is my observation is this: in this particular case, it is coming to a 100% accuracy. However, based on the shadow and based on the gap between these boxes, sometimes it does a overcounting or undercounting. On an average, I have seen the accuracy is greater than 95 percentage in any case. Uh, Having said that, if this camera is from security camera, if you have a better camera orientation and the direction and the lighting, appropriate lighting and positioning, I'm sure we can achieve 100% accuracy in terms of sensitivity or precision, or 100% we can be achieved with it. Uh, with either improvement in the infrastructure side, for time being, let's say camera, lighting, shadowing removal, proper gap, or in terms of algorithm also. So both things we can do it. I just want to take a moment and share the information to you so that we can discuss further in detail if required about this project. Thank you.